wrong. To me make this soca song. It's a raga soca with a beat and drumming. Oh, come now. Just pull me closer and wrap me into your mama. When we meet, oh, na-na. Soca just bring this magic with me. Oh, na-na. Oh, na-na. Everybody, hear something? There we go. She want it bad, 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 bad. She want it bad, 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 bad. Want it bad, 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 bad. Long time she wants some soca in the air. There we go from the bad, 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 bad. Over there, want it bad, 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 bad. Want it bad, 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 bad. She wants some soca in the air. She love the way how the talk that flow. Lyrics like night flow straight to the show. Shooting on the road in a old costume. Invite me to come to Chiado. You could bend up your bumper. Send it up like a thing over. Freaking your back when you're whining. Everything you do, rally through the time. She wants it bad, 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 bad. She wants it bad, 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 bad. Want it bad, 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 bad. Long time she wants some soca. What? From the front or the back wine. Say she want go the whole night. But she can't wait the whole night. Probably know you're ready for carnival. Give me a signal. We going left, we going right. And there we go, and there we go. Listen up, so. Go tell the girl that I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming there. So go tell the girl that I'm coming. I'm coming, I'm coming. So go tell the girl that I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming there. Go tell the judges I'm coming. So go for that, worry not. I know you see that wine. Hey, I know you see that wine. Over there. I know you see that wine. Saint Lucia, I know you see that wine. Boom! Top Gat in the building. Thank you very much.